What's up, guys? Welcome back again to Real Man TV. As you already know, it's Mikey Mike in the building. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, kindly subscribe, hit the bell button as well when you do so. Today, we'll be showing you how to cook this beautiful, delicious Nigerian fried rice. And we're going to dive right in at this point. And also, we'll be providing you a weekly or maybe bi-weekly food that we make and how to make them, and all the recipes will be included. So for this delicious food, we'll start by showing you the recipes first. So let's go. First, you'll need curry powder, chicken stock, fresh shrimps, cooked chopped gizzards, Knorr cubes, ginger powder, garlic powder, thyme, salt, olive oil, mixed vegetables, chopped onions, kidney beans, and rice. Let's go. Put a clean pot on the stove. Make sure there is no water. Add some oil. Make sure that gets really hot. And then after that, you add your onions. Ooh, I love the smell of onions. You want to add the curry and thyme. So you add the curry, add the thyme, and then you stir it around. You make sure it's well stirred. You want to add your ginger powder, just a little bit of those. And then you get your garlic powder. You want to add a little bit of those as well. And you stir it around, make sure everything is well stirred. You want to add your mixed vegetables. Those are really important, and you can get them at any store. Stop and Shop, they're everywhere. So you stir it around. The goal here is to stir it as much as you can to make sure everything, gets into everything. You close it up, let it steam up for about 2-3 minutes. You open it up, let it get cooked up a little bit more. You stir it around, make sure it doesn't burn. So you want to stay close to the pot at all times. You want to add your kidney beans. That also you can get at Stop and Shop at any local store. You stir those around as well. And after that, you want to add your gizzard. This is cooked, chopped gizzard. So make sure it's cooked before you pour it in. And you want to add your shrimps as well, fresh shrimps. Cooked shrimps as well. You want to stir it around, make sure everything looks good. Ooh, look at that. And then you want to add your Knorr cube. This is really important as well. It's more like, seasonings, but I prefer those ones. So you stir them all around, make sure everything looks good. You want to add your salt. Well, you do need to put salt in every food, about half of a teaspoon. And stir it around, make sure you taste it so you don't have too much salt or not enough salt. Cover it up, let it steam up a little bit, turn the light down. You don't want it to burn. So while you do that, you can rinse up your rice, make sure it's very well clean. Clean it, rinse it off, take the water out about 3 times. And then after you rinse them up, you want to add some salt to clean up even more. So you don't want to leave the salt in there, you just want to wash it with the salt and then add some water and rinse it off as well. Take a sieve it, get the water out of the rice completely, and then you want to add the rice in what's been cooking. But before we add the rice, we're going to add the chicken stock. So this you get when you cook some chicken, you add the seasonings, the water from the chicken is the chicken stock. You want to taste that, make sure it's good to go. Then you want to add your rice. So you add the rice, you stir it up, make sure the rice gets everywhere. If you want the rice to be more yellow, you want to add a little bit more curry, but you don't really need the curry at this point. You want to add some water. Not a lot of water, but just enough to cook the rice, as you can see here. And then you want to cover it up with a foil paper. You don't want to use like a glass thing so it doesn't break, because we'll be using an oven. So we'll put it all in the oven. You want to put it on bake, and you want to increase the thing to 400 Fahrenheit. And then after that, you turn it on. You let it heat up to 400 Fahrenheit before you put it all, put the food in there. So put the rice in there, close it up, give it about 20 to 25 minutes. But while we do that, we're gonna cook up the delicious pepper. And then from there, we wanna add the oil. You wanna add the pepper, that's bell pepper and some chili pepper and onions. Blend it together. And then you wanna add that in the oil. Add the ginger powder. Ginger gives it a nice taste, and plus it's good for your body. Garlic powder is important as well. You want to add that to it. You want to add the Knorr cube. It's pretty much the same ingredients that you used in the fried rice. You want to add the Knorr cube. And then after that, you do need salt. You don't want to add too much salt so it doesn't get too crazy in there. So you want to stir that around, let that cook up for a little bit. So 20 minutes down, you stir it up, put it back in for about 5 minutes, and then you stir again. You keep stirring this. So you add the chicken. So this is a fried chicken. This is some fried chicken and turkey already in there as well. So we have all of those. You just mix them all up. Let it steam up for like 30 seconds. The rice is done. Stir that around. Our flash makes it look really bright, but it is pretty yellow. So which is good. That's the outcome. Rice is done. It's not too cooked. You don't want it to be too soft. You want to stir the chicken. I like goat. That's why I almost said goat meat. This is the outcome. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh, look at those pepper on the chicken wings. The chicken thighs as well. You can see the shrimps right in the rice. We try to mold it up to make it look nicer, but it broke, so excuse that. And yeah, that's all of it, guys. That's how you cook a delicious Nigerian fried rice with some turkey neck and some chicken. Boom.